There are some plants people forget. They sit quietly in corners, climb slowly, grow silently, and then one day they change everything. In the late 18th century, traders moving between China and Southeast Asia began carrying a strange plant with them. It did not bloom, not often, sometimes not for years. They kept it in their homes anyway, watered it, moved it carefully, waited and waited, because they believed something unusual. They believed this plant was watching, not with eyes, but with time. They said it only blooms in the right home, not the richest, not the most beautiful, but the most stable, the most patient, the ones where love does not burn fast, but stays. Its name is Hoya Carnosa. Today we call it the wax plant, but in many homes it had another name, the flower of faithful love. And when it finally blooms, it does not whisper. It announces something, something people have been trying to understand for centuries. Welcome to Green Wisdom. Here we explore the hidden stories of plants, where history, myth, and science meet. If you enjoy mysterious cinematic stories about nature, consider subscribing, because some plants grow fast, some survive in harsh places, and some plants wait. The story did not begin in one place. It spread from southern China to Vietnam, from quiet homes to temple gardens. In old records, there are mentions of a climbing plant that rarely flowered, but when it did, people gathered to see it. In some regions, newly married couples were given this plant as a gift, not as decoration, as a test, a silent witness. They were told, do not force it to bloom, do not move it too often, do not rush it, because if the plant blooms, your home is ready, ready for something lasting. In other stories, the plant was placed near windows where soft light entered. People believed it listened to the rhythm of the house, the quiet morning, the shared meals, the arguments that ended in silence, the small acts of care that no one talked about. And slowly, over months, over years, the plant decided. Then one night, almost without warning, it would bloom. Clusters of small stars, perfect, symmetrical, soft like wax, almost artificial, almost unreal, and people would stop, because this was not just a flower, this was timing, this was patience made visible. Some believed it carried the energy of the home. Others believed it revealed the truth, not about the plant, but about the people around it. The belief was not random. It came from observation, careful, repeated observation. Hoya carnosa is not an easy plant. It does not respond to attention quickly. It does not reward impatience. It builds slowly, stores energy, waits, and most importantly, it does not like change. Move it too often, it stops. Disturb it too much, it refuses. But leave it in a stable place, give it consistent care and time, it responds. Now imagine a household, a place where routines exist, where care is steady, where things are not chaotic, where attention is quiet but constant. In those environments, the plant thrives, and eventually it blooms. People saw this pattern again and again, and they connected it to something human, relationships, because strong relationships follow the same rules, not intensity, not speed, but consistency, patience, stability. So the plant became a mirror, not of magic, but of behavior. Today, the mystery is clearer, but not gone. We now understand that Hoya carnosa stores energy before flowering. It needs the right balance of light, temperature, and time. Its flowers form in clusters called umbels, each one shaped like a perfect star, each one reflecting light in a wax-like surface. Its scent becomes stronger at night to attract pollinators, a simple biological purpose. And yet, the experience still feels different because the timing is unpredictable. You cannot command it, you cannot rush it, you can only create the conditions and wait. And maybe that is why the story survived, because it speaks to something deeper. In a world that moves too fast, this plant refuses. It slows everything down. It reminds people that not everything responds to pressure. Some things respond to care. So when a Hoya blooms in a quiet room, it is not magic, but it feels like it. And if you enjoy stories where science meets something deeper, follow Green Wisdom. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments, because sometimes the quietest plants tell the loudest stories.